Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a moving timer bar or progress bar all in Canva, perfect for trivia quizzes and more. So let's dive right in. First, click on the Elements tab and search for timer bar. When the results appear, go to the video section and scroll through the options until you find one you like. Once you select it, crop the timer bar down as close as possible to the edges, both top, bottom, and sides. I would suggest you zoom in to get a better precision. Next, center the timer bar where you want it on the slide. Then zoom in again, select the timer bar, and go to the top menu to adjust the corner rounding. Drag it to 100 to smooth out the edges and remove as much black from the background as possible. Once that's done, hit play. And there you have it. Your timer bar is ready. Now, let's get more advanced here because if you want to extend the timer length, you're gonna need to know a couple of things because what I showed you just now was the basics. And if you want to get more creative, like making your timer bar longer than the original, then here's what you need to do. The default timer bar I selected is set to 6 seconds, but I want it to run for 10 seconds. To adjust this, click on the timer bar and then click Edit at the top. Scroll to the playback section and reduce the video speed. Slowing it down will make the timer longer. So for example, I set mine to 9.9 seconds, but you can also manually play around with the speed to get the exact length you want. Next, if you're doing a trivia quiz video, then I would consider how much time you want to give your audience to read the questions before the timer starts. So I like to give 4 to 5 seconds for this. And to do that, extend the duration of your slide. So for example, if my timer bar is 10 seconds, I set the slide duration to 14 seconds. To do this, go to the bottom of the screen, find the duration option, and extend the slide to the time you need. If you don't see the element timing bar, which is in purple above the slide duration, then all you need to do is click on any element in the template that you created. And on the Mac, hit the Control key as well as the mouse pad, and then search for Show Element Timing. Click on it, and then it should appear. If you want to make the slide longer and you've already added the timer bar, It won't allow you to do so unless you cut the timer bar out by holding down the Command and X keys on a Mac and then adjust the slide length to where you want it to be. And then after, paste the timer bar back on the slide by holding down the Command and V keys. If your timer is shorter than the slide duration, make sure to position it where you want it to appear and then disappear. So for example, I'll place the timer in the middle so it shows up exactly where I want it to start and end. However, remember that if your timer is shorter than the slide duration and you make it the length of the slide, so let's say in this case 28 seconds, it will loop itself to fill the remaining time. To prevent this, either shorten the timer bar to match its original length or choose another timer bar video with a longer duration that will give you the ability to slow down the speed and make it longer. And that's it. You just created a customizable moving timer bar in Canva. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know what you think or what you'd like to see next. Y'all take care and stay blessed. Bye for now.